Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about the IUPAC nomenclature of simple hydrocarbons, which are triple bonded or unsaturated with triple bond. In our previous class, we mentioned that the hydrocarbons which are unsaturated and saturated are named like that. So today we are discussing the triple bonded hydrocarbons. Let us consider a compound which contain a triple bond with carbon. Let us consider C triple bond C H H. What is the name of this molecule? As we know that this molecule contains only two carbon atoms, so the prefix should be for C2, the prefix should be eth, and we know that the hydrocarbon which are contains triple bond ended with YNE, ine. So the molecule should name as eth plus ine. Ethine. The molecule has the popular name acetylene. Okay. Now consider if one hydrocarbon contains one or more, two or more unsaturated triple bonds, then what is the name of these molecules? Now let's consider a molecule contains C triple bond C bond C triple bond C H H. So what is the name of this molecule? At first let me consider the number of the carbon atom present in that molecule. The number of carbon atoms are 4. So C4 is considered as but. For triple bond presence, it should be ine. But there are two triple bonds present in that molecule, which means it contains two triple bond which termed as diene. And like previous class, it is also mentioned the position of the triple bonds. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is the name of this molecule? This molecule named as but 1,3 diene. Okay. Now your homework should be C bond C triple bond C bond C bond C triple bond C. This C contains 3 hydrogen. This C contains complete C complete. This C contains 2 hydrogen. This C contains 1 hydrogen. This is the molecule which is homework for you. Now there are some other rules present in naming for hydrocarbons. Okay. Let us consider the functional group present in the hydrocarbons. For presence of functional groups, there are many rules for them their nomenclature. Like if a hydrocarbon contains a functional group, then the name of the hydrocarbon should start with the functional group, followed by the number of molecules of carbon atom present with prefix and the nature of the hydrocarbon, which are saturated or unsaturated. If unsaturated, there will be some double bonds or triple bond. Okay, let us consider a molecule which contains a functional group. Okay, this is the molecule which contains a functional group OH. OH is denoted as alcoholic group, or this is contains, if a molecule contains OH group, it should be named as alcohol. So what is the name of the molecule? For presence of OH, the functional group should be denoted as all. All. For presence of OH. So there are number of carbon atom is 4. So but, and the functional group is all. So but plus but, and this is also saturated, so N plus all. So the name should be butanol. The E is subtracted from the name. Okay, so there is a table for the suffixes of presence of various types of functional groups. For presence of alcohol, the naming should be ended with all. The presence of aldehyde, the molecule should be named ended as Al. Okay. If the molecule contains one ketone group, then it on, and many more. So in the next class we consider all the functional groups and their naming. Thank you.